Welcome back. In this given dataset, I wanted to find out the number of years of experience what each employee has. So this is the same dataset which I have been working for my previous exercises. Let us find out the number of years of experience for each of the employee. I will type number of years of experience. So for each employee, I wanted to find out how many years of experience they have after joining from 2013. You can see most of the employees have joined in the year 2013. So let us calculate using the function which is called as DATEDIF. Before calculating the number of years of experience, I also need to check what is the date format which has been used. To check the date format, I have to go to Format Cells, then select the date. I'll be able to see the date format is month, day, and year. I need to use the current date from which I want to find out the number of years of experience. Current date. The current date is 2104 and 2024. To find out the number of years of experience, I need to use the function which is called as DATEDIF. I will use the function DATEDIF. Open the bracket. Select the cell of one of the employee, then select the current date. I have selected the current date. I will use the comma again. Then I need to find out the number of years. So I will use in double quotes year and close the bracket. So the formula is DATEDIF, the date of employee during which the employee has joined, and the current date, and the number of years of experience. Let me enter. The function is not working. Let me troubleshoot why it is not working. As I said, we also need to check the format of the date. I have used the format as wrong. So I will use the month and date here. Now I got the result as 11. So this particular employee, Aidan Roscoe, has 11 years of experience. I will drag the date. I will simply copy the date because it will be the same date to which I need to find out the number of years. I just wanted to copy the cells. I'll copy the same date for all the employees. I will use the formula again. Let me use the formula again. I'll zoom it. Equals dated if, open the bracket. We need to select the cell at which the employee has joined. Employee has joined during 8/9/2013, which is nothing but August 9, 2013. I will use the comma again. Then this is the current date, comma. I have to enter Y because I wanted to find out number of years. So I have to use Y here and close the bracket. Now this particular employee has 10 years of experience. If I change the date, which is original date at which the employee has joined, if I say 2010, let us see. Yeah, the result also changes. It will change to 13. I'll make it 2013 itself. I will drag the current date. I'll just copy the cells. I wanted to copy the formula for all the employees, so I'll drag the formula for all the employees. I got the result for all the employees for number of years of experience. If I wanted to find out the number of years of experience in month, what I will do is I'll copy the title and I'll select the formula, or I can use the formula. I can simply write down the formula as dated if, open the bracket, select the date of joining, select the current date, comma, and in the double quote, you need to use M to find out number of months and close the bracket. So total number of months of experience for Aiden Roscoe is 134 months, which is 11 years of experience. I can copy the same formula across the other cells. It is giving me the number of months for each of the employee, how many months they have been in this company. If I wanted to apply the same formula for all the employees, I'll simply double click on this plus icon here. I'll get the total number of months for each of the employee. So I have got the result for all the employees now. This is in months and this is in years. So this is in years and this will be in months. Number of months of experience for each of the employee. So in this way, using DATEDIF, we are able to find out number of years of experience for each of the employee. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe. Thank you and take care.